What's the meaning of anomaly? Anomaly. 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 Anomaly.
Anomaly refers to something that deviates from what is expected or normal. It can be used to describe a wide range of situations, from unusual weather patterns to rare medical conditions. Anomalies are typically identified through data analysis and statistical methods, as they represent deviations from established patterns. They may be caused by a variety of factors, such as errors in measurement, random chance, or underlying systemic issues. Identifying anomalies can be important for predicting future events and detecting potential problems before they become more serious.